How to delete history on your Reddit. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your Reddit history. So to do that, first of all, open the Reddit app on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your Reddit account. Now once you're logged in, there are basically two ways on how you can delete your history on Reddit. So the first is the search history. So once you tap on the option search, you will see the list of all of the different things you've searched on Reddit. Now if you want to delete your search history on Reddit, all you have to do is simply tap on this cross icon right over here. And then once you've done that, you'll have successfully deleted your search history on TikTok. Now if you want to delete your actual history on TikTok, which is your watch history or the posts you've watched on Reddit, what you'll have to do is simply tap on your profile, which is in the top right corner of your screen. After that, if you tap on the option history, you will see your entire Reddit history and you won't find the delete history option over there. So what you'll have to do is simply go to settings. Now scroll down until you see the option clear local history. Simply tap on it and then tap on the option clear local history. Now once you've done that, a pop-up will appear saying local history cleared. So that is basically how you clear your history on Reddit. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.